the cloth, the image of Edessa, according to a 6th century writing, Acts of Thaddeus, that the image of Edessa was a burial shroud, a sinden, with the full body image of Jesus on it. But what's interesting to take note of, 6th century writing, Acts of Thaddeus, says that the image of Edessa was folded twice and then fourfold. This odd folding pattern, and the Shroud of Turin was folded twice and then fourfold. 0% doubt in that, and fire proves that. But on the Shroud of Turin, okay, here's Jerusalem. According to the historical record, it was brought to Edessa, Turkey, to King Abgar. And there are pollens from Edessa, Turkey on the Shroud of Turin. Why is that? It's because the shroud was in Edessa. And looks like they folded it in a real special manner. Twice and then fourfold. And whoever got this cloth, they kept folding it in that same manner because they saw the crease lines and went, this is how we fold this cloth. From the 7th century to the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th century. Now we're in France, and this cloth is being kept in a silver casket. Fire breaks out on December 4th, 1532, and a drop of silver. The fire was so hot that some silver melted on the casket and dropped right there. And how was the cloth folded when it dropped there? Oh, it was folded twice and then fourfold, just like it was when it was in Edessa, Turkey, many centuries earlier. This is a 2 plus blank equals 4 type challenge to solve. The image of Edessa is what? Is the Shroud of Turin. They're the same thing. All right, we're looking at an image of a 692 coin. And we're doing an overlay of the face of the man in the shroud / Jesus, and you'll notice that it fits in nearly perfectly. I've done a lot of facial overlays with different faces and mixed in with the man in the shroud. About 90% of them don't fit at all, just because the man in the shroud / Jesus has very unique facial features. You'll note that the face overlay with the 692 coin matches incredibly well. And there's a reason for that. Is because they used the Shroud of Turin, the face of the man in the shroud, to make this coin. Dated 692 AD, matching the face of the man in the shroud. What is this telling us? It's telling us that the Shroud of Turin was in existence at this time. At that time, it was called the image of Edessa. The image not made by human hands.
The Shroud of Turin is the most powerful witness in the world that tells the most powerful truth. May that truth set you free forever.